Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have a new arrival at the workshop. It's just arrived this morning. Let's take a look. So as you can probably see, it's a 1968 Austin badged Morris Minor pickup. Pretty much the same as a Morris Minor pickup, but they just badged them differently for a few years. So this one's a 68. Just bought it at auction, unseen, and we're just going to have a little look around it. It showed on the auction video quite a few scratches and cracks in the paint and things, so there are marks pretty much all over it. But I think it was restored quite a few years ago, so it's no doubt that it's shown some wear and tear here and there, which, you know, it's got to be expected. But generally it doesn't seem too bad. So it's basically just going to be a little run around, something that can be practical to use. If I need to pick anything up or anything, I can just go in the back there, but don't need to worry too much about it because it's not immaculate as far as parking it up in a car park or anything like that. So something just arrived. We're just going to have a quick look underneath, make sure everything's solid and there's no obvious problems that need dealing with. But generally I'm quite pleased with it. It's quite a nice little thing. Colour's a bit bright, it might not be for everyone's tastes, but I don't mind it. Looks quite nice. Certainly eye-catching. So as I say, I'm going to just jack it up and have a little look underneath and see what sort of condition everything's in, and see if it needs anything doing. Okay, let's take a little look underneath, see what sort of condition it's in. Well, there's plenty of oil leaks, which is okay. Stops the chassis from rusting away. Looks fairly solid under there. As I say, it was restored probably, I think it was 20 years ago. It doesn't seem to have lasted too badly, actually. The chassis seems quite sound. Nice and solid. little bit of surface rust up there on that bar going across, which holds a bit of wood on the floor. Some very light surface rust in there as well. That's not too bad, but it wants treating. Chassis seems pretty sound, which is good. And the floors look good. And some treatment on there, but not too bad really. Just come around the back here. So it's fairly good up there. Chassis is all solid. Doesn't seem to be any leaks on the petrol tank. Looks pretty good. Solid there. Some leaks on the rear axle. Yeah, not too bad. A bit of a leak there on the back plate of that. Possibly could be the axle seal, or it could be brake fluid. That we'll have to get the wheels off and have a little look. It's got a tow bar on this as well, but I don't know how much weight you could tow with a tow bar on this thing. A little bit of rust just starting to bubble here. The edges of the wings are quite crisp, quite good. Not too bad. A few cracks. Looks like possibly been filled at some point when it was repaired. Same there, slight crack. I mean, I can't feel anything behind, so it's not as though it's thick with filler. Maybe it's had some wheel arches welded in. Some repair panels, yeah, possibly there, if that's where they join. Not too bad. Pretty solid along there, stone chip. But the edge is very good. I think there's no extra thickness to that. Wing's not a great fit there, there's a bit of a gap. Either the wing or the door, one of them's not quite right, possibly the wing's too far out. A few more scratches. So there's little marks, pretty much every panel's got something, but not bad. And we've got a visitor in the workshop. He likes to inspect and see what's going on. A few stone chips on the front, but not too bad. Could do with a good clean actually. Definitely want some tyres. I noticed that tyres aren't great, they're pretty old. There's a couple of cracks. It gives this back one I noticed. Well, one of them was cracked. But I don't really like the cream wheels. It's kind of thing. Keep the original wheels because I like the wheels and the hubcaps, but might paint those wheels black because a lot of the trim on this thing's black. The tops of the doors are black. And then these bumpers, I don't know what colour they would have been originally, whether they'd be chrome or whether the commercials were always painted. But maybe black wheels on them might look quite good actually. So anyway, I'll be changing the tyres, so the wheels will be stripped. I'll get them sorted while I do that. It's got a tiny cover on the back. It needs a little bit of work, it doesn't quite fasten up properly. And there's a metal insert sort of hanging out here. I don't know quite what's going on there, I'll have to have a look. Little bits and pieces here and there, but nothing too bad really. I think that's a regular spot for these cracking. Yeah, at least it's solid underneath from what I can see. Just needs a few bits of the surface rust taken off and treating and some wax applying. But yeah, not a bad little car, keep me busy for a while. The interior definitely wants a little bit of work. driver's seat's got a tear in it, and somebody just put some tape over it. I think the original seats should tilt forward, I think, yeah. So I'll either buy a new repair section for there or try and pick up some other seats. I know people put MGB seats in these, which are definitely lower. Might be easier to get in and out if the seats are lower. And the other thing I noticed in here is, I don't know if it's a feature on all of these, but I'm not sure the steering wheel should do that. So I think it's, yeah, it looks as though it's loose up in there, yeah. But ready to come off, really. So that wants attention. It's probably just coming loose. So lots of little jobs. Carpets aren't great. It's got some black mats in there. Floor's pretty good. Slight smell of dampness there. Maybe it's been sat in the rain. Doesn't feel wet, but the carpet smells a little bit. Headline is good. Got the sun visors. Must be deluxe model. Door cards aren't bad. These are a little bit worn, but generally it's fine. That sort of condition suits me. It's means I can use it without worrying about it too much. And that's the idea behind getting this, is something practical to use. Glove boxes, as usual, sort of all starting to disintegrate. You can buy new ones of these, or some people make them, but I'll have a little look, see if they can be repaired, or if not, maybe some new ones. The battery's flat on it, so when you charge the battery, make sure the battery charges up. If it doesn't, it'll need a new one. It's fairly good under there as well. All the same colour. No idea if this is the original colour, if it was painted this colour. Yes, everything seems to be in order under there. Just could clean up, tidy up. Maybe remove the old alarm system. Doesn't look too bad at all, really. As I say, it's an Austin. So instead of being a Morris minor, it's a Austin minor pickup. I think there's less of these, but basically it's just rebadged, nothing else, I don't think. So yeah, all in all, doesn't seem too bad. Fairly good in there, spare wheel. Some paint's come off the floor there, just wants painting again. Well, that's pretty much it. Had a little walk around, look around it. Definitely needs some little bits of jobs doing to it, but I'll make some more videos as I get into those jobs. There's plenty of little jobs that needs doing on it, so plenty to keep me busy, really. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content similar to this. Take a look at some of our other videos, you might enjoy them. Thanks very much, I'll see you on the next one.